Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Today we're going to solve one of the coolest questions, which is happy numbers. So basically, what we have to do in this question, we just have to simply check whether a number is happy or not. So leave a joke aside. Right. So what we'll check in this question, we are given a happy number is say if it's come ends in one. Okay. So let's just don't look at over here. Don't look at this shit. We just simply look at our example one. All right. So what they're saying, we have something like n equals to 19, and the output is true. Let's just check how. So basically, just remember one thing they're checking in this, saying in this question, if we get of this sum, of this square sum, so square sum is like 19, square sum is something like is 1, then we have to return true for that, otherwise you have to return false for that. So you commonly say like 2, that's not possible, 19 square is not 1. Just wait and watch how we are approaching this question. All right, so let's just say we have something like 19. Okay, we're just a 19. Then what I will do, first of all, I will just simply break them. Okay, and I will create one. Let's say this is my hash set, so I will create one my hash set over here, so where I will store only in identical numbers, like only the unique number I will store over here in identical. So basically, if you look at over in this one, they are saying the same thing as well. They are saying like you don't have to repeat the same number, because if I put the same number over here, let's say for example, okay, so let me just break it, and I will get to that point as well. Let's say I have 19, then I will break it and I will square it. So 1 square plus 9 square, which will be 1 plus 81, which will be 82. Okay, so the stack is empty. So when the set is empty, then I will simply put it in my 82 over here. So it is set. Okay, it is set. Right. So we are using hash set. So this is hash set. Right, so okay, so 82 is unique and it is coming the first time in our set, so we just simply put it. Now again what we will do, we will simply break the 82 and square it of them. Okay, so the square will be 8 square plus 2 square, which will be 64 plus 4, which will give us 68. Is 68 same to the previous one? No, it's not. Then we will put it. Now here's the question, why I'm checking is 68 same to the previous one or no. Let's say we will again, if we square the 68, let's say if we again square the 68 by breaking it, then let's say we will get again 82. So what if I again put the 82 over here, then what will happen, there is a kind of loop. The loop will go and again until unless the infinity, because like the loop will go till infinity, it will never break, so our code will crash. So what I will do, I will just check like if our square is unique, if the value is unique we are putting, and it is coming first time. Okay, so first time only the one time, and it has to be unique. Okay, then only we will put in our hash set, otherwise we will not put it. So where we are, so we just we are solving this question. So let me just erase the other things. So okay, my bad, here we go. All right, so we just put 68. Now what we will do, we will square off our 68 as well now over here. So 68, break it up first, 6 square plus 8 square. That's what the old question is saying, like you have to break it, then square it, then put in our set or something, then you have to check if the final answer is 1. If we receive finally 1, then we will just return true, otherwise we will return false. Okay, so 6 square plus 8 square is 36 plus 64, which will give us something 100. Is 100 similar to the previous one? No, it's not. Then I will put my 100 in my set. Okay, now what I will do, I will just simply break my 100 over here as well. So I will break my 100 and I will square it again. So it will be 1 square plus 0 square plus 0 square, which will be 1. So we get 1 finally over here. So what I will do, once I get my 1, I will just simply return true for this. All right, I hope this question is clear. It's still not, then don't worry, I will go for one more example. Let's say the down one is 2. Okay, let's say like something we have, let's say we have something 15. Okay, we go for the 15 one. Okay, I will create one set for this one, hash set. Okay, so this is our hash set. Okay, so what I will do, first of all I have to break it and square it. So it will be 1 square plus 5 square, which will be 25 plus 1, 26. 26 is unique and first time coming, so I will put it over here. Then what I will do, I will just again break my 26. So if I break 26, 26 will come as like 2 square plus 6 square, which will be 6 square is 36 plus 4, 40. Okay, so 36 plus 4, which will be 40. So 40 is unique, I will put it over here. Then what I will do, I will go for my 41 over here. So 40 will be 4 square plus 0 square, which will be 8. So which will be 16, my mistake, which will be 16. Then what I will do, I will put it over here back again. Okay, so because it's unique. So 16 is unique. Before that we have 26, 40, 16. Now what I will do, I will break my 16 over here. 16 will break again, 1 square plus 6 square, which will be 37. 37 is unique, so I will put 37 over here as well. I think this will go quite long. So 37. So 3 square plus 7 square, which will be 6 plus 49, which will be 55. So 55 is unique as well. Then I will put my 55 over here. So 55 over here. Then I will square 5 square plus 5 square, which will be 25 plus 25, 50. 50 is unique. 50 will come over here. So you see, like it's going quite long, but I think the answer we will get finally, I don't know. Let's check if we still. So 50 square will be okay. 5 square plus 25. So it will be over here. Right now again, 25. 25 will be 2 square plus 5 square. 4 plus 25. 29. So over here. Then we can I think it will go, but I think we can somehow 4 plus 85. 85. 85 is 85. 81 plus 25 should be something like 80. 89 is 89 is 84 plus 81 should be 5 145. So 45 is over here. So we can go 145 should be 4 plus 5 should be 1 plus 16 plus 25 should be 20 plus 16 is something like 22 over here. So you will be 15. So this is 15. I don't think it will be quite long. So it's over here. I didn't finish. Okay. So it will be 3 plus 2 16 plus 4 20. So we are getting over here. 22 plus 3 plus 2 so it is 9 plus 4 is 17. Okay, so going 5 over here. 1 plus 3 square which is 9 plus 1 10. 10 and we got it. We just get it. We got 10. We got finally 10 over here. So if you look, we got 10 over here. If you see, we have 10. I just did it. 1 square plus 0 square, which is 1. And it's true. This value is true. This value is true. I hope you understand like how we did it. I hope you understand. So let me clap for myself. We finally get one over here in the end. So I hope guys this thing is crystal clear to like how we are approaching this question. So this is the one of the I guess one of the best example in the whole YouTube, or I think in the whole Leetcode. I don't know, but I think it's the best example till now I have seen in the whole YouTube. Alright, so guys, if you like this answer, then please do hit a like button. So finally we got one which is true. Okay, so let me just erase it. I don't want to erase it. I will just take a snapshot of this one. So I will put into my something over here for my memory. Like somehow we just did this thing. Alright, so let's go start solving this question, guys. Let's do it. Okay, so how are we gonna do this question? So first of all, as I told you, like we will use the power of hashes. Okay, so I will say set which is integer. I will call it set new hash set. Okay, and alright guys, so now what I will do, I will just simply run a while loop for this one. I will say in my while loop, this while loop till run only n is not equals to 1, until n we don't get n not equals to 1, and till my set dot contains n. So it means like till my set does not have any like similar value, unique value, I will go for that. Okay, then what I will do, I will just simply add to my set dot add n, and I will create one my sum. So this sum helps me to divide it and square it, and once I get the 1, then I will put it into my n. Just wait what I will do. So initially my sum is 0. Okay, and I will run a while loop again. I will say while n greater than 0, till n is not equal to 0. Okay, so like once we get the 1, then it's over. So like so if it's getting 0 below the 0, then what we have to do, we just have to simply return false for that. Okay, so what I will do, I will simply do sum plus equals to add into my sum, which is math dot power. So math dot power of n modulus 10. So what is this n modulus 10 is doing? It is getting out, like let's say we have something like 19. So we are using 10 to divide it. So when we divide 10, then what will happen? Our 9 will come as a remainder, and we got a remainder, and we got 1 as a question. So we receive 1 as a question. Then what we will do, we will work for the 1 then after all. Okay, so like and we get 9 as a remainder, then I have to square it as well, and we get 1 as a question. Then I will try to get 1 as a like we get 1. So then what I will do, I will simply take a square root of 1 square as well. Then I will add it into my sum. Okay, so that's how we gonna do it. So let me just erase this thing. I hope this thing is clear, like how what we are doing. I hope so you understand like what I just told you over here. Now I have to update my n and divide by 10 by doing this. Okay, and finally what I have to do, I have to put n equals to sum. So if we whatever we receive finally, we will put it equals to sum, and then we will check is n equals to 1. If it is equals to 1, then we are just giving a boolean condition. If it is equals to 1, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false for that. So let me just run this code. Let's see, is there any compilation error? And here we go. So it is accepting false for 2. Let me just give a condition over here. Let's say we have something 119. Let me run for this, and it's getting true. So for 19 we go true for that. Okay, and so for 19 we guys go true. And let me just finally submit this code. Let's see what happening over here. And here we go. So it's accepting, it's taking a like in this one we are dealing with the time complexity. Our time complexity is big O of log n, and our space complexity we are dealing with same big O of log n. Okay, so big O of log n. I hope this question is clear. So I just want to say thank you guys if you have watched till over here. So this question is quite impressive. We did a very big example to solve it. So I hope this thing is crystal clear, like how we are approaching the solution, what we did, so what the question is saying. So be happy with our this happy numbers. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye, ladies and gentlemen. I will definitely see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. And I love you guys. Believe me, I love you.